Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert data in database. So create your file, call it insert.php. Yeah, that's it. So the first thing is to make a PHP database connection. And in a previous tutorial, I taught you how to make PHP database connection. So this is our file which make PHP database connection. It is named as database.php. So what you need to do here is just to include database.php. Yes, like this. So after that, now you can create your MySQL query, name it as SQL is equal to insert into, specify the table name you want to insert. So the table name we want to insert our query is called feedback. And what we're supposed to do is to specify the column values or the column of table in which you want to insert our values. So put bracket. Now you can specify those table column you want to insert. Now if you come here, this is my table. It is named as feedback. You can see there is a name, there is email, and a feedback. So specify them. There is a name, there is email, and feedback. So after that, specify the values you want to insert. So those values, you should put them in single quote. So let's say the value number 1 is JB. That's the name of the one who is providing feedback. The name or the email of user is jb@gmail.com. Yes, and the name of feedback, let's say Adobe is good. Okay, that's it. So we are moving to the second. Let's insert at least or more than 2 data in our database. So the next is to insert another feedback. Let's say the name of this is jumbe.com. Email of user providing feedback is, let's say, Mohammed Jumbe at jumbe.com. And the name of feedback, let's say PHP is good for streaming. That's it. The last feedback or the last data we want to insert in your database, let it be user number 3. This user is called Baraka. Yeah, Baraka Mbugwa. So he want to, his email is Mbugwa, let's say Mbugwa at gmail.com. His feedback, let's say I like machine learning. I like machine learning. So that is our complete query we want to insert into database. So after that, we are going to make a PHP function which will execute the query created above and insert those data provided into database. So put if statement, if result is equal to MySQL, yeah. The next thing we are going to specify in MySQL I function, which will send data into database, is to put connection of our database and the query we need to insert into database. Yeah, this SQL. After that, I hope data will be successful inserted into database. So after that, echo data successfully inserted. Let's say data inserted, else say echo data not inserted. So that's it. After running this file, make sure these data are inserted into database. This is MySQL database connection, as you can see here in database connection file. This is connection variable which hold the database connection. So go to your browser and run this insert.php to see what happens. Insert.php. Now you can see data inserted. So let's prove if data are successfully inserted. So in this file we inserted user called JB, there is jumbe.com and Mbugwa. Let me find if feedback of user Baraka Mbugwa is successfully inserted into database. So let me browse. Now you can see Baraka Mbugwa at gmail.com. I like machine learning is successfully inserted with jumbe.com and JB. Thanks for watching. This is the end of our tutorial on how to insert data into database by using PHP and MySQL. Goodbye. See you in the next video.